Hi everyone, welcome to Budgujar Sir Math channel, and today we are going to discuss about derivatives of implicit function part 3. Now question number 5, sub question 1 from your textbook. If log of x plus y is equal to log of x into y plus p, where p is constant number, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x square. Solution. Here the given function is log of x plus y is equal to log of xy plus p. Now in this case we have to apply log of m into n formula, that is log of xy is equal to log x plus log y. Now it is very simple form, so you have to differentiate with respect to x. You will get derivative of log of f of x form, that is derivative of log of x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 here is equal to, you carry as it is equal to, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx, because of y is composite function. And what is about derivative of p? It is constant, so its derivative is 0. Okay, so you have to simplify this now, that is you have to simplify derivative of x plus y by using u plus v formula. The next step is 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now open this bracket, you have to open this bracket, okay, that is 1 upon x plus y into 1 plus 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx. The next step will be by using simplifying that. Now you have to collect dy by dx term on one side, that is 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx minus 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus y. Now you have to take dy by dx common here, then you will get, see, taking dy by dx common, you will get 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to RHS, keep as it is. Now you have to simplify this by taking LCM and cross multiplication. By LCM and cross multiplication, here x multiply this here and this one, then you will get y minus x minus y upon y into bracket x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 1 into this cross multiply, 1 into x plus y, it becomes x plus y minus 1 into x is minus x upon LCM x into bracket x plus y. Okay, now you can cancel x plus y here, or see here plus y minus y get cancelled, again plus x minus x get cancelled, here denominator is similar, that term is also get cancelled. After cancelling this one, after cancelling this, you will get minus x upon y into dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Now this y transfer this side, it become plus, and this x transfer that side, but we want dy by dx here, so this x transfer the here and y is also transfer on LHS side, so it become dy by dx equal to minus y square upon x square. That's it. It's a very simple form. Just you have to apply basic rule if it is applicable, otherwise directly you differentiate this. Now another question is, if x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Solution. Since the sum is given, equation is given, it is a variable raised to variable form. See, you have to observe this one, you have to observe this, x raised to y. What is y? Composite function. Y is depends on x, so it is variable raised to variable form. By simplifying this by taking log on both side, you will get log of xy is equal to log of RHS. Again you have to apply a log m raised to n formula. We have this one, log of m raised to n, it become n into, this is equal to n into log m. By using this formula, you will get this y become multiple and this power is also become multiple. Okay, x minus y. What is log e? Log e is 1. So it's a very simple form. It become y log x minus y. What is log e? It become 1. So you have to differentiate as it is, or you can convert in explicit form. Means this y, this function, this equation, you have to write y is equal to purely function of x. That's why this y transfer this side, this minus y transfer on RHS, it become plus. Okay, now taking y common, you will get, taking y common, you will get y into bracket 1 plus log x is equal to x. So y is equal to x upon, y is equal to x upon 1 plus log x, and it is purely in terms of x. Y is purely in terms of x. So differentiating this, you will get dy by dx. How to differentiate this? By u upon v formula. So differentiating on both sides, you will get dy by dx equal to derivative root of RHS, that is log x, here log x keep as it is, log x keep as it is, then log x keep as 1 plus log x as it is, into derivative of x minus x into log derivative of log of 1 plus log x, right. So it become 1 plus log x into 1 minus x as it is, into bracket derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Then again open this bracket, it become minus 1. So next term is 1 plus log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square, that is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, and that is nothing but log x dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. That's it. Okay, it's a very simple form. Either you differentiate as it is, means on LHS and RHS, or this sum is very simple, so we have to convert in explicit form, then you will get y is equal to purely function of x. Now next question, this is for practice. If x raised to y is equal to 5 raised to x minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to x into log 5 minus y upon x into log of 5x. Okay, it is also same type. Instead of e, I take 5 here. It's a similar type of question, just you try this one. Again, if e raised to y is equal to y raised to x, RHS is variable raised to variable form, then you have to apply log on both sides. This is also simple form. Next type is, now this one is very important type. If y is equal to under root of log x plus under root of log x plus under root of log x up to infinity, means infinite series is here. How to differentiate such type of sum or such type of implicit function? Okay, now you have to observe this solution. Now then show that sometime it is given, show that dy by dx equal to 1 upon x into bracket twice y minus 1. It is given that y is equal to this infinite series. Now you have to observe this one, it is under root form, and how many under roots are there? There are infinite under roots. So if you take squaring on both sides, if you squaring of this, then this under root remove, this will be removed. You know, suppose root x is equal to 2, then after squaring x, you will get x is equal to 4, right. So see, after squaring this first under root will be removed, then that is nothing but y square is equal to log x plus under root log x plus under root log x up to infinite, that is infinite series is there. And again you have to observe this infinite series is again it is y. See how, see here in infinite under roots are there, then here 1 is removed, that is infinity minus 1. How much is that? Again it is infinity. So see, this become y, this infinite series is also y because of it is given. Then y square is equal to, then we will get y square is equal to log x plus y, right, log x plus y here, y square is equal to log x plus y. Now differentiating this with respect to x, you will get 2y into dy by dx plus is equal to, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus dy by dx. Now this dy by dx transfer on LHS side, and taking dy by dx common, you will get 2y minus 1 in bracket complete into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. So, dy by dx equal to 1 upon x into bracket twice y minus 1. That's it. It's very simple. Means the infinite series either a base power form or in under root form, then you have to simplify this by applying taking log on both sides or squaring on both sides. Here it is under root form, so squaring on both sides. So similar type of question is here again. If y is equal to under root cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x up to infinity, then show that dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y or 1 minus twice y. See, the given function is y is this one. It is again under root form, under root form. So after squaring, you will get y square is equal to cos x plus under root cos x plus under root cos x up to infinity. And this second term is nothing but y. So it become y square is equal to cos x plus y. Now differentiating this, because of it is very simple, y square you have to differentiate that by using x raised to n formula. What is the root of y square? By using x raised to n, you will get 2 into y into dy by dx, and RHS is u plus v form. So differentiating on both sides, you will get twice y into dy by dx is equal to the root of cos x is minus sin x plus dy by dx. Now this dy by dx transfer on LHS side. Okay, and that become minus, and taking dy by dx common here. So it become 2y minus 1 into dy by dx equal to minus sin x. So dy by dx become minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. But this is not answer, because of this is show that type question, prove that type question. So taking minus sign common from denominator, minus minus get cancelled, you will get dy by dx become sin x upon 1 minus 2y. That's it. Okay, it's a very simple form. Now for practice, see you will get same type of question here. No, now this is another type. If y is equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to x up to infinity, then show that dy by dx equal to y square upon x into bracket 1 minus log y. Okay, this structure is, see, is more complicated, but its solution is very simple. Okay, see, y is equal to what is the solution? Here it is given that y is equal to x raised to x raised to x. So x raised to, see again, see, I take this one. See x raised to x raised to x raised to x up to infinity. See, again it is y. This become y, because of what is y? Y is this form, given is this form. Okay, so it become y is equal to, you will get y is equal to x raised to y. It is variable raised to variable form, right? It's very simple. That is by putting y, therefore y is equal to x raised to y, and this is nothing but variable raised to variable form. So by taking log on both sides, you will get log y is equal to log of RHS. Again you have to apply log m raised to n formula, and that is nothing but log y is equal to y into log x. Now you have to differentiate this. This is very simple form. RHS is nothing but u into v form. This is u and this is v form. So you have to differentiate easily. So it become the root of log y is equal to the root of RHS, right? The root of log y is equal to the root of RHS. That is nothing but 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to, by product rule, first function as it is y, keep as it is into the root of log x plus log x into the root of y, that is dy by dx. Now again simplify this, 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to y into, what is the root of log x? The root of log x become 1 upon x plus this log x as it is, dy by dx also as it is. Then you have to simplify this, that is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. Now this this term dy by dx term transfer to LHS side. Okay, it become negative. So the next step is 1 upon y into dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx. Taking dy by dx common, you will get 1 upon y minus log y bracket complete into dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Now you have to simplify this by taking LCM and cross multiplication. Okay, it become 1 minus y log x upon y by taking LCM and cross multiplying. That is nothing but 1 minus y log x upon y into dy by dx is equal to y upon x. So dy by dx become y square upon, and that is the final answer, y square upon x into bracket 1 minus y log x. Okay, it's a very simple form. Means infinity raised to, sorry, x raised to x, or function raised to function raised to function up to infinity. See, one more question of similar type. If y is equal to root x raised to root x raised to root x up to infinity, then find dy by dx. The solution is this one. See, again, see, you have to apply same procedure here. Here it is root x raised to root x raised to root x up to infinity, it become y. So you will get root x raised to y. So y become root x raised to y, and by taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log of RHS, that is log of root x bracket raised to x. Again you have to apply properties of logarithm, it become log y is equal to y into log root x. Now you have to keep as it is. Now differentiating this, or you can simplify root x. What is root x? X raised to half, that is better one, that is y into log of x raised to half. That power become multiple, so you will get log y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into y into log x. And now differentiating this, you will get derivative of log y is equal to derivative of RHS, and that is nothing but what is derivative of log y? 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket, just you have to apply product rule here, that is y into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of y is dy by dx. It become 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to half into bracket y upon x, means y into 1 by x or y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. Just you have to open this bracket. You have to open this bracket, means each term multiply with half here. That is half into this one plus half into this bracket, this term. Okay, you have to open this bracket and dy by dx term transfer that side, and that is nothing but 1 by 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to y upon 2x plus 1 by 2 into log x into dy by dx. So it become dy by dx transfer that side, means this term transfer this side, taking dy by dx common, that is 1 by y into 1 by y minus half into log x into dy by dx is equal to y upon 2x. Y upon 2x. Now taking LCM and cross multiplication, that is 2 minus, here taking LCM 1 into 2, that become 2 minus y into log x, that is y log x upon 2 into y, that is 2y is equal to y upon 2x. So dy by dx become again here 2 get cancelled, dy by dx, this 2 and this 2 similar term get cancelled, then dy by dx equal to y square upon x into bracket 2 minus y into log x. That's it. This is final answer. Okay. Now one more type. If y is equal to question number 8, if y is equal to a raised to x bracket raised to a raised to x raised to a raised to x up to infinity, then find dy by dx. The solution is, the y is given form. Again it is a raised to x bracket raised to, see I will show you, that is see this one is a number, a is number, any positive number, and variable is, then you keep a raised to x as it is, you will get a raised to x bracket raised to a raised to x raised to a raised to x up to infinity. Okay, then it become y, then you will get a raised to x raised to y, and by laws of indices, you know, a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Okay, this is applicable for this bracket. Don't apply this one, don't use this formula in this case. Okay, here I write here, that is a raised to m raised to n is not equal to a raised to m into n, right? So it become a raised to x bracket complete bracket raised to y is nothing but a raised to xy. That's it, a raised to xy by laws of indices. So it become log y is equal to log of a raised to xy, and that is nothing but xy into log a. Now you have to differentiate this with respect to x, you will get 1 upon y, derivative of log y is equal to derivative of RHS. Then derivative of log y is equal to 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to log a. A is constant, so log a is constant number, you have to write outside. Now here you have to apply u into v formula, you have to apply u into v formula. By product rule, first x as it is derivative of y plus, because of product rule, y keep as it is derivative of x is 1. So again you have to open this bracket, that is nothing but 1 upon y into dy by dx is is equal to x log a into dy by dx plus y into log a. Now dy by dx term transfer on LHS side, you will get 1 upon y into dy by dx minus x log a into dy by dx is equal to y log a. Now taking dy by dx common from both the terms, you will get 1 upon y minus x log a into dy by dx is equal to y into log a. Now again taking LCM and cross multiply here, that is 1 minus xy into log a upon this LCM y. So you will get 1 minus xy into log a upon y into dy by dx is equal to RHS keep as it is. So dy by dx is equal to y square into log a upon 1 minus xy log a. That's it. Now next for practice, if y is equal to sin x raised to sin x raised to sin x up to infinity, then find out dy by dx. Again one more question, question number 11, if y is equal to tan x raised to tan x raised to tan x up to infinity. See here I covered all problems of derivatives of implicit function from your textbook in 3 videos, that is part 1, part 2, part 3. If you enjoy this video, then do not forget to like and share it your friends and subscribe my channel. We will see in next video.